guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. I'm going to get straight into it, okay? This is the results video. Back with the rice water, as you can see. And this month's challenge number 4 of 12 months of challenges to grow our hair healthy. Whether it gets long or not, that's just a bonus. But we want healthy hair, so we're on a 12-month challenge. First of all, here's the results. So I'm going to take it right down. The reason why I'm getting so excited is because if you saw last week's video, you would have known it was a live, okay? If you were on my live, or if you caught up with it and watched the replay, you would have known that I got an inch worth of growth in 7 days. Yeah, 7 days. I normally get half an inch in 1 month. So, hoping that now, at the end of this challenge, 14 days, that there's some Rapunzel growth. Anyway, let me get on, okay? Girl, we're gonna measure my hair, okay? So I want you to grab your tea, and like last time, get some fufu, maybe some banku, some plantain, a cup of tea, and we are going to see the results. Okay, right, so as you can see, my hair is up in this bun. I had church online and yeah, I had to put my hair up and show up. Let me just show you my edges. Hey, the girl is doing good. 48 and still trying to rock this baby hair look. I'm sure I'm too old for that. But anyway, we move. This is my hair at the moment. I've got some flaxseed gel holding up my hair here. My hair has been on quarantine. It's been on lockdown here in my house as well. I've done nothing to my hair. I finger detangled it the other day and then left it in that finger detangled state. Kept putting the rice water into my roots and just leaving it, plaiting it or putting it up in a bun without any gel. So my hair's been left alone, and then one of the days I just had my satin bonnet on the whole day. I didn't do anything to it, just yeah, it was not coming out. Listen, quarantines, lockdown, self-isolation, whatever you want to call it, it's doing good for my hair. I finger detangled my hair the other day and I kind of left it in this whatever state. It's like, am I stretched? Am I curly? Yeah, but my hair feels so moisturized. My hair feels so soft. It's got a lot of body to it. My hair feels a lot thicker. So all I'm doing right now is I'm gently maneuvering my hair out of the flaxseed gel hold or cast that it was in, and I put my hair up. I'm stalling a little bit because I really want to do it like gently. I don't want to pull my hair and break any hair. Every hair must be counted for. First of all, I've got to put this on, okay? This is the measurements from last time. Can you see? Hang on, I'm just going to go and put on my lovely t-shirt, okay? I'll be right back. Alrighty then, got the t-shirt on. Okay, got me accessories. Anyway, just shut up and get on with it, Mel, okay? We already know from 7 days ago that my fringe had grown an inch. So because I know that 2 weeks ago, my fringe was measuring 12 inches. And then last week, it had grown to 13 inches. So it had gained an inch. Ooh, let us see. It will be blooming amazing if it really is 14. Okay, so we're starting at the same place. I cannot see what I'm doing, but we are going with it. I'm guessing the fringe, where are you? Fringe is here. You're going to have to believe your girl, the starting point. Okay, now, don't know about you, I cannot see in the viewfinder what numbers are there. So I'm just going to twist the hair. It will help me to grab hold of it better. There we go. We're going down. And we're going to stop there because there's straggly ends. Okay. Let's see what that is. Oh my word. It's grown half an inch. Extra. Can you see that? That's 13 and a half. Oh my word. It did grow. That's weird, isn't it? It's almost unbelievable. We are taking that one and we're running with it. Okay, so really excited. All right, so we are now going to move on to the next part of measuring. Okay, so now we're going to use this t-shirt to show you where we are. Okay, so we're down here. My hair is not lopsided. This side just grows faster than this side. That's it. I'll cut it the same length and then somehow it just grows lopsided. I don't care as long as it grows healthy. That's the main thing. Let's move on. All right then, let's go, shall we? So try to stretch this part as best I can. And we're just going to put another little marker on it. I might put dates on it. Oh, child, you can see that. Oh, you can see that. Sorry. Okay. A little bit excited here. Wow, are you kidding me? Like, does it really have to grow? Is it? It works. It works. Oh, this thing works. Oh, chale. I don't know why I'm so excited, because I've done rice water many times, these challenges, and I think I'm always so happy and marveled that it actually does work every single time. Right, let me just pop that there, because that is there, right? Wow! This is ridiculous why I get so excited for hair growth. But I think you naturals can understand me. Okay, let's go to this side. You can see this one is doing the most. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. That's amazing. That's really... I love it. Okay, so, hey, Charlie, you saw the growth, eh? That is pretty good. Now what I need to do is I need to measure and show you how much the difference is in the growth. Okay, as you can see here, the growth I got on the longer side, which is my right, your left, is 1.5 inches. Wow. And my left, your right, which is the shorter side that I have, grew 1 inch. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. Oh, as you can see, it was some glorious growth, and I am ecstatic because my hair feels healthier. Usually the way I'd like to do challenges is not one after the other, back after back, because your hair will definitely mush up. So I like to stop the challenge and just give my hair a chance to rest, where I do basically nothing. Just go back to a basic routine, which is every 7 days, wash my hair, deep condition, midway week, do a nice hot oil treatment or a DIY something that is moisture boosting, and just do low manipulation styles just till the end of that month. And then I boost my hair back into submission for another challenge. Okay, so before I go, I noticed on the comments there were a number of questions about how to apply it and about the ingredients and what to do and whether you can do this and that. So I didn't want to answer a lot of them because I thought I would put it in a video. So I'm going to shout you guys out. You might see a little name just down at the bottom. However, what I thought I would do is just take out the few questions that seem to be the repetitive ones. Okay, so I had to put them on my my notes, okay, some of the questions. So one of the most frequent questions asked was, how often should I wash my hair? Because I've read it's not good to leave the rice water in too long. And does anyone have any tips for me? So the answer to your question, just stick to your normal routine of wash day. If your wash day is 2 weeks, stick to that. Because remember, you're only putting it in your roots. If your routine is every 7 days or every 4 days, wash your hair at that time. But you wouldn't need to wash it out of your hair because you're not putting it in your hair. Please do not put the rice water on the whole of your hair. Another question was on what to use for moisturizer. If I was to do this, could I use like a pink lotion hair moisturizer? Girl, sis, you can use whatever your hair is susceptible to. If your hair loves pink lotion and it thrives with moisture from the pink lotion, go ahead, girl. use it. I've said this before, but I think in the natural hair community, we have complicated so many things. Don't do this, you can do this, but only this you can do. Put on your satin bonnet, don't put on your satin bonnet, don't put on your satin bonnet. There are so many do's and don'ts. Another question that I got that I found that was like another popular question was, do you shampoo and condition before leaving in the rice water? Again, I'd like to say that I use the rice water as a leave-in. So if I grabbed my leave-in conditioner, I have one here, actually, just a shameless plug. So every time I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner, I don't necessarily wash my hair because my hair might need a leave-in conditioner the next day. So it means that I'll have to shampoo and condition again to apply a leave-in conditioner. Or maybe 2 days time I might need to use it, or 3 days time I might need to use it. It doesn't mean I'm going to wash my hair and condition it before I use this. The rice water is meant to act as a leave-in to condition your hair. The rice water is in substitute of a leave-in conditioner, so it's basically something that I do not need to wash my hair or condition my hair before applying the rice water mixture. So no, that's the answer to that one. I don't need to wash or condition my hair. It's not a rinse. I'm not just putting it on my hair, leaving it on for 10-15 minutes and then rinsing it off. It's being used as a leave-in into the scalp. Remember, when I started these challenges, one of the main focuses was scalp treatment, scalp care, scalp love, because our hair grows from our scalp. If we can keep our scalp healthy and our hair hydrated and really well moistured, we are going to grow healthy hair. Another question that I got, and the question is, hey Mel, it's Mel. I think I know who you are. Sorry, I'm digressing, okay? I think it's my friend from college. Mel, if it's you, you have to give me a thumbs up for this video and send me a message and say, yes, it's me. After you boil the rice water and orange peel, did you leave it overnight or just use it straight away? And people have actually replied to my friend Mel. Thank you very much, guys, for answering back. It's really lovely when you guys like kind of give each other support and answer the questions. So when I made the batch in the video, I actually used it straight away. That was the first 7 days. It didn't really matter if I continued to leave it there or not. The fermentation has already taken place. I don't know why the Yao women go ahead and do it. Another question, which is kind of a little bit like a repeat. I feel like I've answered it already, but I would just, you know, for the purpose of the video. It says, have you been rinsing your hair out during your 7 days or letting each daily application build up? Yes, I have been letting each daily application build up. So for the first 7 days, I left it in there because it was just being used as a leave-in into my roots. And on some days, I put it on my ends as well. That's not every day, just some days. But on the second week, I noticed on the second week, I wanted to see what it would do by doing it day and night, day and night. So on quite a few days on the week just gone, I did actually apply it in the morning and in the evening. I applied it 5 days, morning and evening, and I did put some of it on my ends as well. But I only washed my hair when my hair needed to be washed on wash day. Another question that was there so many times, I was even DM'd for this one on Instagram. People took it over there. This was asked, okay, did you use rice water every day for a week? Yes, I did. I did it for 14 days. It was a 14-day challenge. So yes, it was applied every single day. So it was a daily thing. It was for 14 days, daily. So really, they were the most frequently asked questions on the videos that I've done, the last 2 videos, and I hope that I have some way answered the most frequently asked questions. You guys need to check out some of the comments. There are a number of you that have had some really great results. One of the viewers had said that she went from 11.5 inches to 15. Amazing. Yeah, that's her story. But for me, I'm quite happy with the humble 1.5 to 2 inches. Hey, so yeah, that's it really. That is it, guys. I haven't got any cute hair stuff for you for today. So guys, comment down below. I want to hear your results. If you're still doing the rice water challenge, let me know. Say I'm still doing it, man. You know, let me know, because there are some people in the comments that want to be excited, want to be encouraged, are still on the fence whether they could use rice water or not. We gotta share it amongst each other. There's not enough information of encouragement, you know, for us naturals on these channels. We have to be those people that are helping another sister, not pulling another sister down. I just want to let you know that I have done these DIYs. Yeah, I've recorded them. I'm just running a very big behind, you know, doing the editing because I am so busy with the Marry Me. You guys, oh my goodness, you guys, you are going ham ordering from my business. Thank you so much. It's making me very, very happy in these very trying times. God has blessed me with such wonderful people that want to invest into my business. God bless y'all. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, I appreciate your time. Thank you to my new subscribers. I see all of you. And of course, I never go without saying thank you to my online friends. That is my online cuddle for those of you who are new and don't know what this thing is. Who continue to show love and who continue to give me such amazing conversation. Love you guys. So guys, I'm going now. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to smash the like button and share it with your friends. I will see you again. Stay safe, stay positive, and God bless you. Bye.